Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. This video is about Clickbank and TrafficJunky, how you can combine the two like no one's ever really done before and absolutely crush it on Clickbank. The traffic source is TrafficJunky right here. This is going to be a demonstration account. I've got another account and I don't want to blur out everything. Same with ClickFunnels. Clickbank here. I don't want to have to blur out a ton of stuff, so I just went straight to literally the marketplace. Okay, so the offers you can promote is anything. You can promote anything out there for TrafficJunky, and right here, TrafficJunky, you can advertise on sites like Pornhub and sites like they have a few others, but Pornhub's the main one. Okay, the only one I advertise on is that. Okay, and I make my own offers. Okay, that are super no brainers for people. Then I promote just the top offers on whatever network I can find them on. Okay, so ClickBank is a very cool network. Okay, these offers right at the top here. Okay, so if we press search, these ones right here, each day they're making like 100K a day, okay, in sales. And that's crazy. Okay, so here's a health offer, diabetes one. You will definitely want to be hyper targeted with that, so you don't want to use adult for that. Something that's broad appeal, okay, for either males or females, because with TrafficJunky, you can literally target exact people who would be interested in your broad appeal offer, okay? So you want to pick an offer that's either in the wealth, health, or love niches, okay? We know that those are broad appeal for everyone. And if one of these offers here is geared towards females, then we're going to be able to target females. And if it's geared towards males, we're going to target males. And then the location in the world. Where's the location in the world? Is it United States or is it multiple countries? You can figure that out. Now, you're really going to want to do a bridge page, okay? And most people who have success promoting any ClickBank offer, just so you know, they use most times YouTube or Facebook ads. Those are just the two main ones. Most traffic in the world that's like medium, if not high quality, is there. Adult traffic is the cheapest and there's the most volume in the entire world with adult. Okay, so you've got TrafficJunky here. And I recommend for everybody start with TrafficJunky, then move to ExoClick, then PlugRush, and anything else after that. Okay. PlugRush is mainly like pop under. TrafficJunky doesn't have pop under ads. They mainly have banner ads. You can do in-stream ads on these massive sites. These sites are they have the same people as on Facebook and all these other places. Okay, so it's important to remember that. Now to do this, you just upload a creative. After that, you're gonna make a freaking. Oops, I just lost my face. Okay. You're going to basically make an ad here. Okay, you're gonna make an ad. Let me see if. Okay, I'm back. I clicked X by accident. Okay, here we are. When I name a campaign, I name it whatever I want. Cat is a classic thing when people do demos to say. You could do any freaking dimension here. Any one works. I always do 300 by 250. You want to do desktop if you do any ClickBank offer. Okay. Yes, they're mobile optimized, but you're trying to make sales, and when you're trying to make sales, you want people on their desktop. On their mobile phones, they could be doing anything and very distracted actually. On a desktop, they're there, and they usually have their wallet right next to them. Okay. Sometimes with mobile as well. Okay, and they're more mobile with a mobile phone. But the thing is, it's easier to buy and more trustworthy on a desktop. So you want to either direct link. You want to direct link with ClickFunnels, or you can make a pre-sale page. And when it comes to adult, you don't want to really collect emails. You can, it depends on the strategy, but affiliate marketing, you really want to either have a bridge page that can increase your conversion rate. You don't want it to decrease it, okay? And you want to pre-frame people to create desire for the offer. All right. So if we don't go down here, we will see the top offers here. Research is massive. I mean, it's huge. We could look at this offer real quick. They are literally getting, let's see how many people per month. Okay, so they literally launched insanely high in the last month when I'm filming this. United States is what you'd want to target with, and I'm using SimilarWeb to see this. They're getting direct traffic, so you want a direct link. Okay, you can still, it's considered direct link if you have a pre-sale page still, but anyway. If this appeals to women or men, I don't know yet. Okay, I don't know much about the offer, but that's like an example. You can promote that, and you can literally go to TrafficJunky. You're like, hey, I want to promote to females. Okay, Or if it's both people, do it. If it's just males, do just males. Okay, then you can target the country, United States, boom. Then you just add it, and you're pretty much almost ready. Then you just keep all this the same. Let me double check everything. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now you keep going. Then you have to have your images ready and then a link. Okay, now let me do this. Google.com. Let's select creatives if we have any. Yay. I have this demonstration image here. Okay, perfect. It was ready. Now confirm ads. Boom. Oh, not allowed to do that URL. So what you do, you're going to go grab your affiliate link. Let's just do this one. Who cares, man? Copy that. Boom. Copy, baby. Copy, cat. Okay, boom. You see? Now we're ready to freaking run an ad that's not congruent at all. Okay, save and continue. All right, so this is something cool to show you guys about TrafficJunky that you can now run with, Clickbank offers. By the way, the best performing Clickbank offers will not be necessarily health, because think about it this way. If someone's alive, they do feel like they're healthy. I mean, that's just how the psychology goes. If someone's very overweight, then yes. And you can hyper-target that and create lookalike audiences with Facebook to do that. With adult traffic, you want something that appeals to every last person all the way. And something like that isn't like some offer that is like, oh, a cam offer or some adult gaming offer or something like that for adult traffic. You want to do something that appeals to everyone. Is it a love offer? Yeah, maybe. Everyone could use more love in their life, maybe though. Everyone could use more money, is what I'm getting towards. Okay? So you really want to do like a wealth offer. And the world of trends, there's always new trends on wealth offers. Guys, I've made a lot of money doing this. And I'm telling you right now, you can look at my other videos if you're new here. But anyway, I've got complete training on all this, how you can make money doing this too. And it's crazy. But I'm telling you, everyone wants more money. And promoting these off, if you want to do a ClickBank offer, go straight to e-business e-marketing and go to the top offer here. And you will see that you could possibly, well, the top few offers. Let's look at them. It doesn't really matter the payout necessarily. It matters the conversion rate always. Okay. So this offer right here, it's decent. You know, if they watch the video and it's good, maybe it's good. I don't know. Let's look at this to know for sure. This is how we really know if something's crushing it. Okay. Monthly visits. As you can see, the monthly visits are pretty high. So it's a good offer so far. Now there's this offer, very high monthly visits. This offer, not very good. Okay, that's how I really determine stuff big time. This offer right here, I would promote this one. Okay, if I had more time. You guys can promote this one right now. Now there's more offers here. There's way more. And you don't want to do something too high ticket. So this could work if it has I think it has a low ticket on the front end and then there's upsells in the back end. This is a good offer for adult. Okay, I'm telling you guys gold. Okay, you guys can literally split test all these offers and make gold. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. You guys are going to make money and thank me later. Okay, this stuff's worked for me. This stuff makes people a lot of money who do them. And just so you know, people don't have the right knowledge and I'm here to give it to you. This stuff works. Okay, so these offers right here, you can test right off the bat. And you know there's more. Stick with the wealth offers, okay, and you will crush it. Now go to TrafficJunky. Now TrafficJunky by default has your spending limit at this. Okay, this is a new account. I'm never going to use this account other than showing you guys how to use TrafficJunky. Okay, and the thing is, they have it at $250 per day. Now look, you can get that many impressions per day with $250. Okay, let's say you want to do $500. Now you just press update. You can literally get this many impressions. It's probably just double. Okay, but let's see. Because sometimes it'll actually just stay the same and go down because there are only so many people in your target that you're targeting. And I believe we're targeting males, no? Hopefully that was how we set it up, just so it makes sense for what we're doing. Because you'd want to target males in the United States if you're promoting one of these offers, okay? So it looks like 250 is the highest they really want you to go to, okay, and it stayed the same. So, by the way, your budget, let's say you want to promote this offer right here, okay, this offer is this one. Actually, no, it's this one right here. This one pays you $21, and let's see if it has recurring. Refund, chargeback, blah, 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 recurring. Oh, whoops, that's me. I don't even know how I have a few hops on that. Weird. Okay, gravity is really high. That's good. The rebel is 0. So it looks like 21 is about as much as you can make with this. So if you promoted this one, which can be really good, I would test with 25 bucks a day. If you get a sale, you know it's working. If you get 2 sales, you're profitable. If you do 25 bucks. Uh, and you want to split test a few different banners, and you want to see, okay, this banner is outperforming the others in click-through rate, and you want to make sure it's congruent all the way through the funnel. So you want to make your banners, and by the way, they usually have affiliate tools you can use for these offers. So right here, affiliate tools, you can see if they have any banners given to you to use right off the bat, right off the flipping bat. You can see. Okay, you just opt in and they give them to you. Now the other thing is, you just press confirm campaign, then they optimize and go. But 25 bucks a day can get you enough people to get traffic and know if it's working. This appeals to everyone, just so you know. Again, it appeals to everyone if it's in the wealth niche, and this is broad traffic. Okay, and if you want to crush it, listen. Like, this is important. Okay, this video is a very powerful video. That's how many impressions you can get. You'll get a lot of clicks, and you will get sales if you have the right ads. Your ads need to basically convey it's exciting, it's good, it works, it's this, and then like watch the video and see what this offer is all about. Okay, it could be this offer, this offer, this offer. Okay, see if they have banner ads to use and make them even better. Don't literally take their banner ads unless you really want to. Make sure the big benefit, like in your banners, make your headline the benefit and keep it simple. Don't make it too long. And then express what they're going to get. Have an image that grabs attention, but the words get the click. Okay, and the click, it can't be fully curiosity, because if someone clicks and they're not interested in what you have to sell, and what the offer's all about, they're not gonna do anything about it. Okay, that's the secret. One of the secrets. It's not like the main secret ever. But anyway, the thing is, pick one of these great offers, man, and you will see money come in. And I really do suggest this one a lot. This one is huge. It even has a rebill. Okay, you guys can make money with that one. This one as well. Let's see this one. Let's see this one just real quick and see, and let you guys know, is this a good one? Is this a not good offer? Because, by the way, picking the offer is the key to make big money. If you want to really crush it, this is the ultimate secret. This offer doesn't look insanely good, okay? But it has a lot of traffic, so it might be making some money. I don't know about that offer. Okay, here we go. You would press approve. You'd run it for 3 days. You'd gather a bunch of data, and then you would basically optimize with what ads are the best ones. All right, and then you just scale with those ones. And it's usually 2 to 3 that I recommend. 2 to 3 ads, because you don't want to have too much ad fatigue, and you do want to mix it up. So there you go. If you want to use a tracker, you can see what device types and browser types and stuff like this are working, and you can crush it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Check out links in the description. If you want anything done for your campaigns, funnels, if you want to learn more in depth, I've got that all down below. Thank you for watching Learn Machines, and peace out.